everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a geometric sequence. A geometric sequence has a common ratio instead of a common difference. Like for something that is not a geometric sequence, probably going to be like 2, 4, 6, 8. The difference is all the same. But this case, it has common ratios. So always, whenever there's a question with common geometric sequence, we have to find the common ratios to make our life easier. So every time, how do you find a common ratio? So the way to find a common ratio is to divide the second term by the first term. So for the common ratio, for 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32 is 2. So this is how you find a common ratio. And there's also another interesting thing about geometric sequences. For example, we have these 3 numbers. We can see that 4 equals the 2 numbers beside it, which is root 16, and it equals 4. This works for all of the geometric sequences. You just need, basically the middle number is equal to the 2 numbers on the side. Okay.
But what if the middle number is negative?
If the middle number is negative, so for example, if this is -4, and -4 equals root 16, this does not work because anything of a root is gonna be positive, because anything to the power 2 is gonna be a positive number, so it doesn't work. Okay, now that we have this information, we have a problem. So this question is going to be, for a geometric sequence, the 5th term, so the 5th term is going to be 3, and the 7th term is 9. 9. Our goal in this question is to find the 6th term. So, we all have like the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, all the way like that. We need to find the 6th term. So with our information right now, you guys might be, oh, hey, this is the middle number of these 2, like the thingies here. So if you might be like, so the middle number, which is, I'm going to say F. So F will equal 3 times 9 root, which will equal 27. Yes, this is a way to do it, but you only find one answer using this method. We need to find all the possible answers. And, oh wait, I forgot. 3, the middle number, 9. Okay, so the thing I said before, at the start of the video, is that you need to find the common ratio. So how do we find the common ratio here? So we said the middle number is x, and we need to find the common ratio by dividing the term after the other term, something like that. And so for the ratio, the common ratio, it's going to be F over 3. And since all the common ratios are the same, as we can see in the start of the video with the 1, 2, 4, 8 thing, we can see this is 2 and 8, and 8 over 4 also equals 2. So basically, F over 3 is going to equal 9 over F. Now to find F, we can use the cross multiply method, which means we times these, which is F square is going to equal f. It's going to equal 27. And if we find f, it's going to equal plus minus. Okay, we found both of our possibilities for this answer, which is negative root 27.
Can you simplify the root 27?
Oh, if you simplify the root 27, it's gonna equal root 3. So the two possible answers are the positive 3 root 3 and the negative 3 root 3. So these are the two possible answers for this question.
So like what if for geometric sequence, like the first term is A, common ratio is R, what's the nth term?
To find the nth term of a question, so for example, the first term is A, the common ratio is R, and we have to find the nth term. The nth term will equal the first term times the common ratio to the power of the term number minus 1. And then we could test it right here. So 1, 2, 4, 8. We can see the common ratio is 2. So, and the first term is 1. So if we have to find the fifth term, it's gonna equal 1 times the common ratio is 2, and we need to find the fifth term, so it's 5 minus 1, which equals 2 to the power of 4, and this will equal 4 to the power of 2, and it will equal 16. So the next term is 16. So this is the equation to find the terms of a geometric sequence. Thank you for watching, everybody. Have a nice day. Please subscribe. Bye.